Okay, my fans, so today I want to share with you a free tone coin earning game where you can earn free tone coins by playing this simple game. Okay, and it's very easy to play these games to earn free tone coins for yourself. So I'm going to show you how this telegram game works. So just play the game, collect some wools, and you are going to exchange them to tone coins. So mind you that this is a free earning method, so you can use it for free. It's all free. Okay, so here there's no deposit, there's no investment on the game. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it works. So first, if you open this game on telegram, you're gonna need to turn off the music sound. So if you tap on this setting icon on top right corner of the screen, you can see the music here is off, so I turned it off. So you can turn your own on if you want to do that, and you can also choose any language of your choice. So here you can check out the free ask questions in case you want to know more about the game and how you can withdraw your free tone coins to your wallet. Okay, so now on this video we are going to see how to use this game. So here you don't even need to be playing the game constantly. All you need to do is just tap on the start button. So here, if you look onto the screen, it says that if you collect up to 1000 free wools, you are going to receive 1 tone coins. Okay, so here we are asked to collect up to 1000 wools to be able to get a free 1 tone coin. Okay, mind you, it's all free, it's all free, it's all free. Okay, it's not an investment platform. Okay, it's not an investment platform, it's just a free. And mind you that this video is for educational purpose only and not a financial advice. Okay, I don't promote or endorse any platform. All I do here is to share free updates which can help you earn free cryptos to your wallet. Okay, so always make sure you make your own proper research before you use any platform, because I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, so with that being said, guys, let's continue. So here, if you open up the game on your telegram, you're gonna need to tap on the start button over here to start collecting your free wool, and this free wool can be converted to tone coins. So if you take right on the screen, you're gonna see we have started collecting the wool, and here you can see the counting on the screen. Okay, so this is actually how to collect your free wools, guys. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. So you're gonna see here we have 0.22 wools collected. Okay, so just look on the screen, you can understand that more better. Okay, so it's all for free, it's all for free. So after collecting the wool, just go ahead and tap on the exchange button below it, and here you're gonna see it says collect 1500 wool to unlock the exchange feature. Okay, so that means you're gonna need to collect more wools and then you can exchange to tone coins. And mind you, you are going to get a free tone coins for yourself without deposit or investment. Okay, so right here you can see that's how to play the game. And after you exchange your wool coins to tone coins, you can actually click on this wallet icon over here on the screen, and once tap on it, right here you're gonna see it says minimum withdrawal is 1 tone coin. So you're gonna need to fill out your withdrawal, do the necessary things, and you are going to receive your tone coin sent to your wallet for free, guys, for free, all for free. And that's amazing. So you can actually do the necessary things if you want to collect this wool more faster. So if you tap on the scissors icon here, this is gonna come up for you and you can check it out. Okay, so you can check it out. So this is gonna come up for you and you can just check it out and see more information you need to know about the free game. Okay, so just start playing this free game and start accumulating unlimited tone coins for yourself without making any deposit or investment. Okay, so guys, this is all about this video, and I hope you find the video helpful. If you do, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you on the next videos. Hope loves you, and goodbye for now.